Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and talk to Siri on your MacBook computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up System Preferences down in our System dock. So go ahead and select the System Preferences button. Just left click on it one time. Go ahead and select the Siri button. Checkmark where it says Enable Ask Siri. Select Enable. You can share audio recordings if you choose to do so, so it can better learn how you speak. Otherwise, I'm just going to select Not Now. Now if you close it here, and you hold down the Command and the space bar on your computer, you have the option to actually begin speaking to Siri. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.